Welcome. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic, detoxifying our minds and breaking the cycle of overthinking. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? Our minds can sometimes feel swamped by an unending flow of thoughts, worries, and doubts, making it tough to stay present. But don't worry. I've got 20 practical Stoic-inspired strategies to help you clear your mind and find inner peace. If you're new here, please like this video and subscribe. I encourage you to hit the notification bell too. Picture this. You're lying in bed ready to sleep, but your mind is racing with thoughts about work, family, unachieved goals, and the future. It keeps you awake. This is something we all experience, but it doesn't have to be this way. The Stoics, with their timeless wisdom, teach us that we can train our minds to be more peaceful and focused. How? That's what we're here to explore. Each of these 20 strategies is rooted in Stoic philosophy, designed to help us live more serenely and in balance. We'll delve into each strategy, explaining not only how to apply them in our daily lives, but also why they work, and how they can transform our thinking into something more enriching. Every strategy will be paired with a quote from a Stoic philosopher to inspire and deepen our understanding. The first strategy: embrace positive affirmations. Our journey begins with positive affirmations, a surprisingly powerful tool that is often overlooked. Epictetus, a renowned Stoic philosopher, said, "Most of our happiness depends on our disposition, not our circumstances." Positive affirmations are phrases we repeat to ourselves to nurture a positive and empowered mindset. Why are they crucial? Our thoughts significantly influence our perception of reality. If we constantly feed ourselves negative thoughts, we'll view the world through a negative lens. Conversely, changing our internal dialogue to positive statements can dramatically shift our perspective. Imagine waking up and immediately thinking, "Today is going to be a tough day." This mindset will likely cast a shadow over your entire day. But if you start with, "Today I have the opportunity to achieve amazing things," this can motivate you and foster a positive attitude. Positive affirmations help reprogram our minds to focus on what we want to achieve instead of what we fear, reducing anxiety and preventing rumination. To start, identify areas where you feel insecure or negative and create affirmations to counter these thoughts. For instance, if you doubt your job performance, say, "I am capable and confident in my abilities." Repeat these affirmations daily, especially in moments of doubt or stress. Ready to try positive affirmations? Let's move on to the second strategy, but first, choose a positive affirmation to start using today. The second strategy is to simplify your life. This next strategy might seem obvious, but is often overlooked: simplifying our lives. Seneca, another great Stoic philosopher, said, "It is the mind that makes good or ill, that makes us happy or unhappy, rich or poor." In today's complex world, we are surrounded by excess, too many possessions, tasks, and worries, which overwhelm our minds. Simplifying our lives involves reducing this excess in every form: material belongings, social commitments, and unnecessary thoughts. Consider your home. How many items do you have that you don't truly need? Each additional item adds a mental burden. The same applies to our daily activities. We often overcommit, leading to feelings of overwhelm. Simplifying creates more space in our lives and minds. Why is this effective? Every unnecessary thing we eliminate reduces what we need to think about and manage, leading to fewer decisions and less clutter, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. Start by decluttering your environment. Remove items that don't serve a purpose or bring joy. Next, review your commitments and see what can be simplified or delegated. Finally, Practice mindfulness to simplify your thoughts and stay present. The third strategy, limit information intake. In our digital age, this strategy can be challenging but is crucial. Limit the information you consume. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts, and our thoughts are often shaped by the information we receive." We are bombarded with information, news, social media, emails, messages, all vying for our attention, leading to information overload and stress. Limiting information intake helps reduce mental noise. How can you do this? Be selective with your information sources. Choose those that add real value and avoid those that generate stress or anxiety. Set time limits for using electronic devices. For instance, check the news only once a day or restrict social media usage. Why is this effective? Reducing information intake gives our minds a break from constant stimulation, allowing us to process important information better and freeing up mental space for creativity and deep thinking. The fourth strategy is to establish a regular exercise routine. Now let's discuss the importance of regular exercise for both mind and body. Seneca said, "The mind that is anxious about the future is miserable." Exercise is a fantastic way to alleviate anxiety and clear our minds. Regular physical activity not only enhances physical health but also has profound effects on mental well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers, making us feel good. It helps clear our minds by focusing on movement and breathing, diverting our attention from worries. Imagine going for a morning run. You feel the fresh air, the rhythm of your feet hitting the ground, and your mind begins to clear. You're not thinking about work problems or personal issues. You're enjoying the moment. This is a powerful way to practice mindfulness while taking care of your body. Why does this work? Exercise not only improves physical fitness, but also helps manage stress and anxiety, providing a sense of accomplishment and well-being that can positively impact our overall outlook on life. The fifth strategy, practice daily meditation. Meditation is a powerful yet simple practice to calm the mind and reduce overthinking. It involves setting aside time each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts without judgment. This trains our minds to be more present and less reactive. Imagine finding a quiet place, sitting comfortably and closing your eyes. Breathe deeply, focusing on the air entering and leaving your lungs. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath without self-judgment. This regular practice reduces stress and anxiety, helping you handle daily challenges better. Why does this work? Meditation allows us to observe our thoughts without getting attached to them, creating mental space to see things more clearly and calmly. Over time, it reduces overwhelming thoughts and helps develop a more centered mind. These are just the first 5 strategies. Stay with me as we explore more ways to detoxify your mind and embrace the tranquility Stoic philosophy offers. The 6th strategy, establish clear boundaries. Let's continue with something essential for our mental peace, establishing clear boundaries. Epictetus reminds us, no one can harm you without your consent. This also applies to our ability to set boundaries. Establishing boundaries means being clear about what you are willing to accept and what you are not. This includes limits on your time, energy, and relationships. When we don't set boundaries, we can feel overwhelmed and resentful because we let others' demands take over. Imagine you are at work, and your boss asks you to stay late for the 3rd time this week. Establishing a boundary might mean saying, I understand this is important, but I also need time to rest and recharge. I can't stay late tonight. This can be uncomfortable at first, but it is crucial for your well-being. Why does this work? Because when we establish clear boundaries, we protect our energy and time, allowing us to focus on what really matters and reducing the amount of stress and anxiety in our lives. It also helps us have healthier relationships, as people understand and respect our needs. The 7th strategy: surround yourself with positive people. Let's talk about something that can greatly impact our minds: the people we surround ourselves with. Seneca said, "The most powerful person is the one who is master of themselves." Part of mastering ourselves is wisely choosing our company. The people we spend time with can greatly influence our mindset. If we are surrounded by negative people, it is likely that we will absorb that negativity. Conversely, if we surround ourselves with positive and supportive people, our perspective tends to be more positive. Imagine you have a friend who always finds the bright side of things, who supports and motivates you. Spending time with this person inspires you and makes you feel better about yourself. On the other hand, if you have a friend who always complains and sees the negative side, this can drain your energy and affect your mood. Why does this work? Because emotions and attitudes are contagious. When we are in a positive environment, we feel happier and less stressed. This doesn't mean we should avoid people going through difficult times, but rather be aware of how our relationships affect us and make an effort to surround ourselves with people who uplift us. The 8th strategy: accept impermanence. Let's talk about a fundamental strategy in Stoic philosophy: accepting impermanence. Marcus Aurelius said, "Observe how all things change and you will find that the universe is like a river." Accepting impermanence means recognizing that everything in life is transient. Situations, feelings, and even ourselves are constantly changing. This acceptance can alleviate much of our stress and anxiety, as it frees us from the illusion that things must remain the same to be good. Imagine you are facing a challenge in your life, something causing you a lot of stress. Accepting impermanence helps you understand that this challenge will not last forever. Everything passes, both the good and the bad. By internalizing this, you realize that you don't need to cling to anything so tightly, and this can bring great mental peace. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on philosophy, personal growth, and living wisely.